Techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you some new features and tips for iPadOS 26. The new OS will come out in autumn 2025. So let's begin. First, Apple introduces an elegant new software design called Liquid Glass. It is a translucent glass-like visual that enhances clarity and creates a more fluid user experience. This new and expressive look extends from the smallest elements like buttons, sliders, text, and media controls to larger elements including tab bars and sidebars for navigating apps. Let's look at the customization of apps. When you're on the home screen, hold down anywhere for a couple of seconds. You will see the Edit button on the upper left-hand corner. Click on it, then tap Customize. Here you can customize the look of your apps. Other than the default, you have other options like dark, clear, and tinted. Next, you have the option of having windowed apps. This means you can resize and arrange multiple windows in a single space to multitask with ease. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down and click Multitasking and Gestures. Now select Windowed Apps. As you can see, it looks like Mac-styled windows where you can resize, overlap, minimize, maximize, etc. Next, in the Messages app, you now have built-in polls, giving users a way to vote on decisions without leaving their conversation. For example, when you're in the Messages app, click on the plus sign and select Polls. Here, you have an area to provide your choices and add comments. Let's create a poll about your favorite ice cream. I wrote the question in the comments section. Then, I put in the flavors in the choices section. When you send it, the receiver will be able to vote. Next, iPadOS 26 introduces a redesigned camera app that prioritizes speed and ease use. You can toggle the various modes by tapping and swiping in a different fashion. One more cool feature is the Read Pen tool found in the Notes app. It mimics the traditional calligraphy pen with dynamic stroke variations. It gives artists, designers, and note-takers something new to celebrate. Again, these are just a handful of new features. There are many more. So far, so good, right? Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and as always, see you in the next one.